Can you hear that? One earbud sounds quieter than the other. Pity. The reason for this could be dirt or dust, and I have a video where I showed how to clean them, so you can watch it. But what if the worst scenario happened? For example, the sound driver inside the earbud is damaged. I'll be honest, in this case, you won't be able to repair anything yourself. But I found an app that allows you to balance audio in your earbuds. Literally, we can make quieter earbud louder and louder earbud quieter. Everything is very simple and at the same time convenient. The app is free and can be downloaded from the Play Store. Just type Flow Equalizer Bass Booster and install application. At the bottom, activate audio balance, which is very important, and manually adjust which earbud you want to make louder or quieter. And boom, after this manipulation, the earbuds should sound balanced. It worked like magic. My conclusions. I hope this application will help you to adjust and balance audio in your earbuds, but you should understand that there is high probability that the sound driver is already damaged, that is, it will work only temporarily. Also, although application is free, you can see ads. Not a deal breaker for me, but worth knowing. Considering the price of earbuds, you can buy new ones, which I actually did, but in the end, it's up to you. If this video was helpful, please like it. By the way, you can buy earbuds from the links in the video description. Also, I recommend watching this video on how to connect two Bluetooth earbuds to one Windows PC.